So, with the targeting of Jews in Europe, in the 1800s, a movement developed called Zionism. And this was a movement of European Jews, particularly in Western Europe, but it spread throughout most of Europe, in the late 1800s to establish a homeland for Jews, as was the case for lots of Europeans. They also had their own countries, and Jews wanted theirs. Partly, they wanted to return to a place of to be in a place where they felt safe and not like outsiders. But they also, some Zionists wanted to return home to the land that they said God had promised them. A lot of this, though, was a result of the anti-Semitism or racism against Jews that Jews experienced in Europe. The main founder of Zionism is a man named Theodor Herzl, who wrote a book, as you can see here. And while they definitely thought about other places to go, they definitely focused on their ancestral lands, which was then Palestine, and as I said, was controlled by the Ottoman Empire and mostly inherited by ethnic Arabs, largely Muslim, some Christian. So with this as an idea, Zionism as an idea and a motivation, many Jews began to immigrate to Palestine in the late 1800s, which again was they were ruled by the Ottoman Empire, and their ultimate goal was to create a secular or non-religious state in Palestine for Jews. That was their ultimate goal.